Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to part 2 of my Saturday Mishmash. I do believe this is the first time I've ever had to split my video in half, otherwise it would have been way too long. Had to catch my breath after opening that Happy Mail. It's incredible, incredible, incredible. And you don't see me at a loss for words very often. That took me by surprise, and I'm at a loss for words. So let's move on with part 2. So I got my paper pumpkin in the mail, and it's called Sweet Springtime. This is the February one. Isn't it cute with the bunny and the chicks and the, look at my color green. I haven't opened it yet, so just took the outer stuff off. My Stampin' Spot Early Espresso, so that'll be a dark brown. And a little, oh, look at the stamps, a bunny and a chick and a flower. And it says, welcome baby, happy Easter, springtime greetings. Oh, those are cute sentiments. How cool, how cool. Let's see what we got in this one. They package these so nicely. Well, they should for what the cost is, that's for sure. Or they're not cheap. Oops, I'm gonna have to find something to open this with. And look at all the goodies in this springtime. Aren't we all ready for springtime? Yes, I live in Florida, but yes, it's been a very, very cold winter. We've never had a winter this cold since I've been living here. It's nicer now. It's nicer now. It's finally up to the 70s, so that's a good thing. Let's see here. What do we got? What do we got? I'm guessing that by the picture on the box, it's going to be Easter cards or Easter something. Here we go. So I got a little bit of white bling, some little dots, and some dimensionals. I love all the little stuff they send. Ooh, my favorite twine. I love that twine so much. And some double-sided tape. Cool. Oh, where's the... Oops, that's what I'm looking for. I want to see what this is supposed to be. What's this supposed to be? Oh, look, it has... That's the stamps. Cute. So if you want to put it in something, you can put that in there so you know what the stamp set is. Very cool. So it looks like we got tags. Tags and cards for Easter. Look at the bunnies and the chicks. Oh, let's look, let's look, let's look. So this could be mini slimline cards. Or, as I'm known for doing, cutting this up and using it on other cards. But cute. Cute. I love the paper. It's my color. Here's my color. And the little flowers on them. So cute. And what is this? Oh, it's a little box. Well, I'll just have to make one. But maybe I'll... Little treat boxes for Easter. How too cute. That would be easy enough to make. And then that twine that we got, there's little holes in here and you can put it in there to close it. Very cute. Very cute. But, have to think about that. Have to think about that. This one I will make stuff with. I'll make some Easter cards. And there's a wreath. How pretty. And a little flower here. That comes out. It all pops out. So it's just the wreath. And some leaves down here. Pretty. That's on this here. See the wreath? Pretty. Pretty, pretty and springy. Envelopes. Ah, they tricked us this time. Oh no, look, 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 look. Paper that can be used. These are for those slimline cards. Slimline envelopes. They're gonna make it hard for me. They're gonna make it hard. I may have to use these, but I do have some mini slimline envelopes, so let's see. Oh, and the peach. The peach gingham check, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, and it goes all the way to the bottom, so that's a good piece of paper to be able to use. Good piece of paper. Here's the cards. Well, not too much you have to do on that, is there? Put a sentiment on it and call it a day. Maybe a little bling. Those are cute. Look at how many of those. We get 3 of each one, so we get 9 pieces. And then here's all the little ephemera pieces that pop out. You can put a sentiment on here. Little bunny and chicks, so cute, and pretty flowers. I'll get 1, 2, 3 sheets of this, 3 sheets of these as well. So I can get some Easter cards made. Yes, yes, yes. 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 What do you think? What do you think? I have time since Easter's early this year. It's at the end of March, so. But I'm going to leave this right on my desk to make sure that I come back and make some stuff with this. I didn't touch my last one, and it's so pretty, and I just haven't gotten around to it. I just have to make time to do my paper crafting. I have to, because I miss it and I love it. All right, and the last thing I have for you is a giveaway. A giveaway. And how appropriate that my paper pumpkin is Easter, because the giveaway is Easter stuff. So let's see what I got for you this time. Went to Dollar Tree. So of course I had to look for stuff in Dollar Tree. Had to. I didn't buy anything for myself. Everything I bought is for one of you. So I got some of those fabric gift bags. I see lots of people using these at different times of year, and so cute with the bunny faces on them. So you can put goodies in here and give them out or send to your friends. So we have one of those. And I saw these felt carrots, and I thought those were pretty cool. There's 6 of them in here. So for your Easter crafting, and they're sticky. They're stickers. I got this Happy Easter ribbon. So pretty. Isn't it pretty? It's so sparkly. It's got glitter all through it. It's so pretty. So all of you Easter lovers out there who like to make Easter stuff. And I got these eggs. And they're little felt eggs too, 6 of them. And I thought maybe you could use some of those in your Easter crafting. Cute, cute, cute. Cute. And then something I never ever use, but I thought was that you guys might like them. They had these wooden rabbits, Easter bunnies. Look at with the little tail. So cute. So if you enjoy painting or even leaving them like this and maybe putting a little face on them or something, thought maybe you could use those bunnies. And then they had these plain eggs. And this reminded me of Susan Tootsie Tucker. She just did a couple of videos. She made eggs out of plaster of Paris, and then she decorated them and painted them, and oh, they're so pretty. And then she did this wax thing, and caustic or something it's called. Little tiny bits of melted wax in different colors, and oh, go watch our videos. Oh, so pretty. But if you want to be creative and make your own Easter eggs to put on some of your crafts, now you've got 20 of them in here to do. But Susan was my inspiration to pick those up because, wow, those eggs she did are just fantastic. Now these are little tags, but how cute would these be? So cute with the little gnome bunnies. So cute. So I got that one. And they had these cars that say Happy Easter. Aren't they cute with little gnomes on them and the Easter eggs? So I thought maybe somebody would like that too. And those are the crafting goodies that I picked up. And I was walking in the kitchen department and came upon this towel, and I just thought it was so pretty. Look how pretty that, I don't know if I want to give this away. It's my color, my favorite color, green, and an Easter bunny. Pink and green, my favorite colors. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it's so soft too. So I thought I'd throw that in there. And an Easter giveaway would not be an Easter giveaway without goodies. So we have some pink Peeps. I love Peeps. I'm not supposed to eat them, but I love Peeps. Always have, ever since I was a kid. And of course we need a chocolate bunny. So that's my Easter giveaway. So what do you have to do to win this? Leave a comment below. Let's see. What do I want you to put in that comment? Should have thought of this before I started this video, right? It's all Liana's fault for sending me that beautiful journal. It got me all discombobulated. Okay, let's see. Leave a comment below if you're interested, and use the word peep. P-E-E, peep. Okay? It doesn't have to be about peeps, just peep in the comments. And this is US only. Sorry to all my international friends. I'm so sorry. Blame the post office. US only, 18 years or older. I bought all of this. Has nothing to do with YouTube. This is my giveaway, not YouTube's giveaway. 18 years or older. Please subscribe to my channel, please. If I don't know you, I won't enter you. I said that on my last video. If I can't see that you're subscribed to me, if I recognize your name from leaving comments on other videos, I'll enter you. Everything's kind of messed up with YouTube lately, so we'll see. We'll see. But if it's just looky-loos coming to win something, that's why I don't put it in my title anymore. Because you have people out there who are just searching for giveaways, and then you never see them again. So I don't want that to happen. I do this for you, my subbies, and not for some stranger. So everything will be in the description below as far as rules go, but the typical ones, you know, US only, 18 years or older, must be a subscriber, leave a comment with the secret word, and let's see, I'll draw my winner on March 2nd, I guess. Yeah, next Saturday is March 2nd already. That's my daughter-in-law's birthday. Okay, that's it. So all of these goodies, I can't fit in an envelope, so I'm going to have to put them in a box. I guess I went a little cuckoo. And hope you enter. And good luck. So that's all. That's all I have for you. Hopefully I can get some Easter cards made and come back and show you those next week, hopefully. And that's it. That's all I have for you. two-pot mishmash video. Alrighty, everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being a subscriber. I so appreciate it. And until next time, be creative, have fun, and do something just a little bit naughty. Love yous. Bye.